YouTube? How's it going? Check this out. This is our potato harvest. One bucket. I think the thing just died and decomposed in it because it stank all be damned. But these are the potatoes that we picked out of the other bucket. You know, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decent sized ones and other little ones. You know, these are about the size of, well, not that big, but, you know, they're not like something get out of the store, but the little teeny tiny ones, the little bitty balls ones. And you see the roots still hanging off of them. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 potatoes. Isn't that great? I think next time I'll just put one potato per bucket and give them more room to grow. I still have 2 more buckets to pull out, and after that I'm gonna see if I can replant some of these bad boys. You know, let them sprout a little bit and see if we can get it going again. Alright, YouTube, check the potatoes. Alrighty, bye bye.